you're doing. You're welcome back to my channel. You know your girl Jennifer. Hi, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new here, you're also welcome. So guys, you know what I'm gonna say next. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because why not? And I need you. So today's video, I am gonna be doing a cleaning routine or schedule. I'm gonna clean my house, so I want you guys to come with me as I clean everywhere. So I will show you the products I use in cleaning, and before I dive into each sections, I probably would have, I normally soak whatever I'm doing. So if I have to wash the toilet or the bath, I soak it so it has time to degrease itself, if you understand the terms. Okay, so I'm gonna take you around to show you the before and the after. So right now, this is the bedroom. So this is where I keep my daily stuff. It's a bit of a mess, so I'm gonna sort that out. And I needed to wash my makeup brushes, so that's why it's there. Those are some packages that I need to like keep. Some makeup packages I need to keep. The bed end was changed last night, so I don't need to change the bed. And yes, my bed is on the floor, so this room just need a bit of hoovering and things stays the way they are. Over here is the toilet and bathroom, so there's probably limescale all over the toilet, the bath. I'm just gonna soak that up. Don't worry, this is gonna become sparkly very soon. Ignore the mess and let those junk out there. Soak the toilet, wash it, wash the sink, clean the mirror, clean the mirror, and mop the floor and make it sparkle. So in there it's my laundry basket, and some of the products I'll be using are right down there, but I'll show you guys in a minute. So come over to the living room. There's a bit of a mess, painting everywhere. I'm just gonna do what I need to do. So because I am going to be filming a couple of days, so that's why my softbox is still standing up there. So we're just gonna clear everything out and make sure it's looking nice and tidy. And over to the mini kitchen. So nothing really much. These are already washed pots in place. Keep them tidy here. Keep beat any expired fruits. And this is obviously the gas cooker, looking disgusting. I am gonna set this up. This is what only soak things up. So over there is stuff I will use in soaking this up. So, and then mop the floor. Literally, it's not that of a big deal, but in a way, big deal. Gas cooker, like I said, just gonna soak this up. We have a full view of the bath. I've done that one. I've done the sink, so I'm literally gonna do that in a minute. So now that you've seen me soak areas that I will likely wash, I just want to show you the products that I'm using. So I'm using this cream, natural cleaning particles. It's a cream cleaner. I use it for the gas. It takes away grease and stuff. It's surface cleaner as well from Hasda. It doesn't have to be any specific brand, but as far it does the work. Then I'll be using this Flash Multi Surface Gel. You can use it on any surface, but I'm going to be using this on the floor while mopping. And antibacterial ultra fast multi-purpose against spray. But the main one that I am relying on is this Vicar anti-Vicar limescale remover, especially from the back. Lots of limescale during soaps and scums. So finish bath and toilet washing. As you can see, it's a lot better than before, to be fair. You can see that is shiny and sparkly. Even the walls, you can see a bit of reflection. Yep. The sink, all nice and clean. The toilet clean. The only thing left to be done is to sweep and mop the floor, which I will do in a minute. But I just want to show you the difference between before and now. Like, the difference, I think much cleaner. Anyway, I'll show you again before and after, because I need to mop and sweep. So let's go to the kitchen to wash. So guys, this is the finished house cleaning. As you can see, this is the after. When we started, everything was in a mess, and now you can see the floor all hoovered and clean, bed made. Even there, when I had a bit of junk and bits and pieces, as you can see, it's all tidy and neat. And I also bought new stuff I added to it. So this is it for the room. I am gonna show you the rest of the house so you know. And this door leads to the bathroom, and this is where we started our washing. And as you can see, our bath is looking clean and sparkly, like we showed in the beginning. It was all dirty and scruffy, and the sink is wet, the mirrors, everything's clean. The floor is lava literally, but the floor is mopped as well. Very clean and tidy bathroom. This is the living room, also called the lounge. As you can see, before when I started, it was a bit untidy and things everywhere. Now the floor is mopped, surfaces are cleaned. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this light box here just because I'm gonna do a couple of videos and I didn't want to keep it, but if I do intend to keep it, I'll keep it somewhere in the hallway. And the sofa is all looking nice and clean. Over here are some stuff which I'm probably gonna sort out later. And we do paint together, and she is drawing a woman with 2 babies. So if you guys want me to film her when she's painting, let me know and I will do that in an upcoming video. Oh my god, this is so incredible. Finally guys, here is the kitchen, and before, it's the gas hob was looking dirty from cooked and dry grease, and everything is sparkly. The sink is empty and cleared. Every surfaces is all cleaned. Any areas that got dirt is all clean, microwave clean and everything. All utensils kept, that was just washed, that's what is there. And the floor again is lava. The floor is being swept and mopped, and voila. And lastly guys, me in person. So I finished cleaning the house for today, succeeded. At least that task and to-do list is ticked out of the way. So now me myself, I'm looking dirty, so I'm just gonna have my shower and I will see you in my upcoming videos. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. But if you don't enjoy this video but still give it a thumbs up, really like this video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet and you got to the end of the video, please subscribe before you go, before I see you in my next video. And until then, take care of yourself and be nice to others. Peace.